In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Solflare to MetaMask. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Solflare wallet over here. So I'm showing you this in a Chrome extension. If you go to the extension over here, and if you click on this button, it will extend it and show it in full screen as I'm seeing it right now. From here, if you want to actually connect it to MetaMask, you want to go to the very top right where you can see kind of your profile picture. Click on that. And then from here, you can see your main wallet. So I'm assuming this is the wallet you would like to connect to MetaMask. You want to click on those three dots over here and then export private key. From here, of course, you should never share your private key because anyone who has it can gain full control of your wallet. So make sure you never show it to anyone and only you can see it. Then you want to click show. Enter in your password, press confirm, and it will show you your private key. Once you've done that, you want to copy that private key, and then once you've copied it, you can then go to your MetaMask over here, which I'm also using, so it's also the extension. If you don't know how to open this, you can just click over here, three dots, and then expand view, and it will show you like this. And from here, if you want to then connect Solflare to it, you have that private key copied. You want to click on account 1, top middle, and then add account or hardware wallet. Then import account, and make sure you select private key over here, and then you simply want to paste your private key string here, press import, and your wallet will successfully be imported. You can then access it by clicking this arrow, and you'll be able to switch between your account 1 wallet from MetaMask and account 2 wallet from Solflare. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.